So in this video, I will discuss about how to register for any course in NPTEL, how to create account and how to access the courses from here and everything about NPTEL course in detail. So make sure you are watching the video till end. Click on sign in or register. Then if you already have account, you can sign in with Google or sign in with Microsoft. And if you remember your email and password, you can give the credentials and you can sign in. And if you don't have any account in NPTEL, you can click on sign up now. So give your email address, enter password, confirm password, then click on create account. Password should be at least 6 character long. So before moving next, if you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because I post the videos related to tech updates, job updates, internship updates and free courses. So do check out my videos and on the notification bell for the latest update. After filling the details, click on create account. So user created successfully. Please click send verification email to proceed. Click on OK. Now here click on send verification email. You will get a verification code. After clicking send verification email, you will get a verification code to your email. So check it out. So click on OK. So here you will get the mail. So you can click on this mail. So your email has been verified. You should get this like. So you can now sign in with the new account. So come back here, give your email address and password, then click on sign in. So you'll get this page now. So from here you can get the final course list, timelines. So enrollments are open for Jan 2026. So you can enroll in any course. You can register for any course and you can complete the course and you can also get the certificate. So here one important point is you can do the courses for free but certification is paid. You need to pay 1000 rupees for that certification because it will have separate exam. You need to write that exam and you need to qualify that exam. Then only you will be eligible for the certificate and you will get the certificate. So here you can explore the courses or you can just click on final course list, timelines and all. So once explore this and select one of the course or else click on final course list. So here you can find the course list. So the start of the course is January 19 for courses like 4 weeks, 8 weeks, 12 weeks. All the courses will start from January 19 and the end of the courses for 4 weeks it will end on 13 Feb and for 8 weeks March 13 for 12 weeks. So for 12 weeks the end of the course is on April 10, 2026 and here exam dates also given. So if you are registering for 8 weeks and 4 week courses, then your exam will be on 28 March 28 or 29. So two sessions will be on each date. Some of your friends might have in the morning and some of your friends might have in the afternoon. So two sessions on each date. Similarly for 12-week courses also. So in case they were not able to conduct on these dates, so there are some of possible additional exam dates. It might be March 27 and for 12 weeks it may be April 20 or 27. So this is completely decided by the NPTEL. So the close enrollment to the course. So you need to register in any course before Jan 26 or on Jan 26 before 5 p.m. So this is the deadline to enroll in any course. So see if you are registering for Jan 2026 course, don't care about these dates because these are previous semester dates. So don't consider this. Just consider this. Okay. So the exam registration form will be closed on Feb 9. So before 5 p.m. So here you can find the courses. You can register in any course. Move like this. Just scroll like this and you can click here to join the course. So I'm going to choose a course. So you can select the courses from the final course list or you can come here and search the courses, the course which you decide to do and you can filter them easily also. And also you can choose the duration like if you want 4 weeks you can select 4 weeks, 6 weeks. You can select anything as per your choice. So I'm selecting 4 weeks and I'm selecting quantum. Status should be upcoming enrollment open. So I'll choose to do this course. So now click on view more details and you can find the instructor name here and course duration from when it will start and when it will end, on which date the enrollment will end, and the exam date also you can see. So if you want to know more details about this, and you want to register in this, you can click here. So it will take you to this page. So here you can find the summary of the course details, and you can also choose the course type elective. You can find the course type, that is elective, language for course content, it is English, duration 4 weeks, and categories like computer science and engineering, that is CSE student can go with this, and those who have knowledge of physics also can go with it. So it comes under the category of computer science and engineering and physics. So those who are from CSC and those who have knowledge of physics, it is more preferable to these students. And the credit points will get 1 point. Level is undergraduate or postgraduate can attend. So here you can find the start date of the course, end date of the course, and when the enrollment will end, and the exam registration end date, and the exam date. So if you want to register for the exam, register before the deadline, because if you register after the deadline, you need to pay some fine. So to avoid that, register as soon as possible. And you can see 66,563 have already enrolled in this course, and 589 members have registered for the exams. And if you can play this video, so once play the audio and listen to what she is telling. If you're understanding her way of speaking, or if you're understanding the concept she is explaining, you can go through this course. If you don't understand also, if you feel this course is important for you, you can enroll and you can study from the materials. And if you scroll down, you can see the course layout, like what will be explained on each week. Everything, the timeline will be displayed here. You can check out. And this is instructor bio. So now, let's see how to enroll in a course. So click on join. So you'll get this page. Here you need to fill your personal details like name, mobile number, email, date of birth, gender. And if you're finding this video helpful, please like, hype and share it with your friends so it will be useful for others also. It will help to reach many peoples. Next, country residing in currently, your pin code, state, city, district, profession, like if you are a student or faculty or employed, you need to mention it. Then your highest qualification, suppose you're pursuing BTech, that will be your highest qualification. Have you completed it or you're still pursuing it? You can select. Year of graduation means when will you complete the graduation, like in which year? You can select the year from here. Then academic bank of credits. So if you are a student, this ABC ID will be given by your college. And for final year students, it is compulsory to enroll in any course. So the college will be providing for them. And if you are not final year students, or you and you want to do the course, you can ask in your college. They'll create the ABC ID and they'll provide you. And then education details. Yes, so next, part of a SWAYAM local chapter. So you can check here. If you are a student, faculty in a college, you can click here and check. If other than student or faculty, you can click no. Next, local chapter state. You can select your local chapter state, then college name. So you can start typing your city or college name for automatic filtering. So after filling all the details, check these two boxes and click on save. So you'll get this page from here. From the left side panel, you can see the week 1 classes. So here are the topics which they will talk about. So you can click on that, and here you can listen the recording. The similar way you can attend all. Then here you can find the lecture notes, that is material also you can find here. Click on. So if you click that, you will get lecture notes, and you can click here and download the week 1 lecture notes. So in a similar way, you will get all other weeks to 4 weeks you will get if you register for 4-week course. If you register for 4-week course, so here you can download the videos also, and they haven't released the assignment yet. assignment will be released shortly. So remember one thing, if you want to write the exam, make sure you're completing all the assignments and you're scoring well in the assignment, because assignments will help you to score more marks in the final exam and it will prevent you from failing the exam. So make sure you're completing all the assignments on time. So that's all for today's video. In my next video, I'll explain about NPTEL exam registration. So stay tuned for it and don't forget to watch that video to avoid any mistakes in the exam registration process. So that's it. If you have any doubt regarding this video or any other videos from my channel, you can just drop them in the comment box. I'll surely reply to everyone. And if you want me to make video on any other topic, you can just drop them in the comment box. I'll try to make a video on that topic. So don't forget to subscribe. See you in next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.